Can you imagine having 10 conversations and you get 7 listings out of those conversations? Imagine that. You can't even get 1 or 2. For the year, imagine having 10 conversations, you get 7 of them. Guys, that's what's out here. But no one has been teaching you exactly how to do this. Conceptually, you have been taught, but you haven't been taught step by step successfully how to do this. You're saying what every other realtor is saying to them, and that's what's pissing off these people and what's getting you upset because you're not getting their listing, okay? So join this masterclass where I'm going to walk you step by step on how to have the right conversation with this right group of people that are selling their property, because 70% of them are listing with another agent. The problem is they're not listing with you. And it's because of how you're coming into the conversation mentally, what you're saying on the phone with them, and your lack of follow-up with these people, all right? So join this masterclass. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, why didn't I learn this sooner? This is why I'm not getting listings. And in this market, you need to be getting listings. I'll see you there. Bye.